I'm coming on to ask you guys help. So I don't know if you guys remember when I just moved to Nice. If you've been following me for a while, I met a Canadian that was living here by the name of Lily, and I used to hang out with Lily and her little daughter at the time, and until Lily moved back to Canada. No, we kept in touch while she moved back to Canada, and Lily found out that she have cancer, and the cancer that Lily have is spreading rapidly throughout Lily's body. She's have a stage 3 breast cancer right now, and it's spreading all over her body, so she have to be doing intense chemotherapy and intense treatment. Now there's a GoFundMe page for Lily to contribute to her treatments and to her little daughter that she have, so that you know, life can ease some of the pressure of her and her daughter. So I'm asking you guys, it doesn't really matter how much that you guys can donate to Lily's GoFundMe page. I'll appreciate if you guys go ahead and click the link that I'll be leaving towards Lily GoFundMe and donate as much as you can. You can donate anonymous, you can leave your name, however it is that you decide to donate. So I'll appreciate you guys for doing that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll try and find back that vlog that I vlogged with Lily. Though I have many vlogs of her, but I'll try to find one with her to show you who is Lily and what Lily looks like when she was here. So thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and please go ahead and show Lily GoFundMe page some love. And of course, I'll come back and see you guys tomorrow with the rest of the fam bam. Love you guys. Deuces. Again, do that again, do that again. Go, Nico, go. Do it, Nico, do it.
Well, okay.
This is what our life is gonna be, honey. Oh my God.
To music classes.
Yeah. Look at her. You can see that she's really loving music.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Behind you, Tyler. Look, Nico is behind you. Hi, girl. Hi. You see yourself? Look at the screen.
Are you breakdancing, Tyler?
Look, who is that? Who is that?
Mama.
Oh, careful.
Those are some
I can, Nico.
See Nico behind you. Be careful. Look at these two. Go get Tyler. Go get him. Get him, Nico. Get him. Ty, Nico's gone.
Hold your track.
Now I know what Ty is gonna be like with his sister. It's so fun to see them both playing.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
You're hiding? Yes, Sarah. You're hurting? We're hurting. Tell Mama we're hurting. Your ear? Mama just give you medicine. Ear soon feel better, okay? Yes. Yes, Sarah. Hi Fibs, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day and I'm here. I'm up, and as you guys can hear, my daughter ear still hurting her. So as you guys can hear, Sarah ear still hurting her. It's been a few days since I bring her to the doctor, and I must say we haven't really seen no much big change. She'll have changes at intervals, but no big consistent change where we can say, oh, she's getting better. So we're not sending her to school tomorrow. My friend Tashika will take care of her for me until I get back home from school. So that's the plan for Sarah for tomorrow. So I'm just here trying to navigate through this day. I have to prepare some things for my class tomorrow. So I'm in the kitchen trying to cook a few things. So the thing is, I'm supposed to carry a dish from my country, to school, but I'm carrying small amount of a variety of things so they can taste different things. So I'm doing bread pudding, I'm doing rice and peas, I'm doing ackee and saltfish, and then I'm gonna do some jerk chicken. So I'm just carrying a small amount of those things. So I'm actually in the process right now of making the bread pudding. And my bread pudding have the bread, it have coconut strips, and it have raisins in it, and then I'm going to make the liquid and throw on that when I'm done. And then the liquid is just gonna be egg, butter, sugar, milk, the usual, cinnamon, nutmeg, and stuff like that. I also have raisins and a few pieces of cherry in it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm going to cook the peas just before I go to bed, and I'm gonna prep the saltfish from tonight, and then I'm gonna wake up early in the morning and cook all these things because I don't want to carry no leftovers to school. I want to carry things fresh, so hence I am prepping today. I'm going to go wash my hair right now also so I can get my hair done for the week. It's my last week of school, you guys. Yes, you heard it right. It's all good things shall come to an end. My last week of school, I'll be finishing 3 days, and then on to another project which I'm excited about. So yeah, the journey continues with me. Yeah, so I'm just here trying to navigate through this day and trying to get stuff done around here. I also have to do a lot of things in the house because, as you guys may or may not know, that babe broke his finger, so baby is really of no help to me right now. So I have to pick up things that babe used to do. Like babe used to do all the ironing, and he would do the dishwasher and all those little things, which was huge help around the house that I didn't have to do. I have to do that. I have to study a bit. I have to also I don't even remember, but I have a lot of things that I have to do. But anyway, have a good day, and I'll try to carry you guys along throughout the day to show you guys all the things that I have to do today, along with taking care of everybody in this house. So subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up with us, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of the day with everybody else. So you guys wondering the process of my bread pudding. So I'm cutting up the bread and stuffing it in the pan, and then I am going to make the custard and throw it over it and leave it here to soak for a bit before I bake it later. So I'm about to go wash my hair, and you guys always ask me what do I use in my hair. Always get that question, and I promised somebody in the comment section that I'm going to show you guys what I use in my hair when I'm washing my hair. So I'm not going to carry the camera with me, so I'm just showing you guys real quick some of the things that I use when I'm washing my hair. So normally this is my original go-to. This is Mega Growth detangling conditioner. Always use the match, the shampoo and the conditioner, but as of late, I cannot find the shampoo where I used to buy it. It's not on the website, it's not in store. They always have the conditioner, so I normally use this one because it's really good. And when I can't find this one, I always go with this one, the Contour Shea Butter Moisturizing Shampoo and Conditioner. But when I can't find a shampoo for this one, I use a shampoo from this one and the conditioner from this one, so I mix and match. And then when I finish and I'm gonna style, I use the Jamaican Black Castor Oil hair oil, and then I use the Contour Shea Butter, the same brand of this one, leave-in conditioner. And that's as simple as it gets with products that I use in my hair. And for my edges, for edge control, I use anyone that my hand touch and any specific day. So I don't really have one specific hair control, edge control that I use. Whichever one works within the moment, I use it. But I always have Eco Styler around as gel, but as the hair edge controller, I use anyone. Whichever one works for your hair type, use it. So yeah, that's a quick synopsis of how I do my hair. And I always use warm water to wash my hair. So deuces, I'm out.
Buddy!
Good to see them back playing like this after a few days. Tyler, at the same time, don't shout too much, okay? Tyler, I'm speaking to you. Because her ears, you don't shout too much. Sarah, you're playing with Tai Tai? Good to see her back playing to her old self. Say good morning to Fizz. Sarah, say good morning. Say good morning. Tai Tai. Tell her it's funny. Yeah. Be careful up there. Sit. Sit, Sarah. Sky, mommy Sky is giving a hug. Play calmly, both of you. Bye. While my babies are playing, I'm trying to get my hair shiny bump so I can have some curls for tomorrow. So that's what I'm doing. Baby's relaxing. So okay, so before I forget to show you guys, this is the bread pudding that I made for school. I cut it up and package it in this pan, and then I have some leftovers for home. Yes, it turn up with rum, the rum flavor. Honey child, lit. Okay, you guys, so here's dinner. I seasoned the chicken for school tomorrow, and I split it in half. So I put half for dinner and put the uncooked half in the fridge, so tomorrow morning I'll wake up and do the rest. So this is what tomorrow's jerk chicken will look like, similar to so this is dinner for tonight, and it tastes so good. Can you imagine tomorrow on that is gonna be much more marinated? Yes. And saltfish is there to pick up for Aki and saltfish. And I did some veggies for tonight, and I have rice and couscous for tonight that they're gonna have for dinner. Not me though, I have veggies. And Aki is here ready for tomorrow morning, and coconut milk ready for rice and peas. So I cook the rice, I cook the peas. I have some leftovers, have some leftover liquid that's gonna go in my freezer, but this is gonna go in the fridge so I can cook the rice and peas in the morning, so I can carry some to school and leave the rest for family dinner in the evening when I get back home. So kids are over there playing, making lots of noise. And I'm in the kitchen with my tiny bump. But my brother saw me just now. He was like, wait, this brings back so much memories of when you were young. Because my mom always cut my hair like this when I was younger. But I love combing my hair like this as an adult, because it made my curls pop when I leave my hair out, and that's gonna be the hairstyle for tomorrow. Anyways, I'm gonna go feed my family dinner, so I'll catch you guys in a bit.
Papa. It's for Papa. And for Sarah. And for Tyler. And for all my family and friends. And Sarah. It's for all the family and the friends. Amen.
Amen. Yeah, it's time to go to bed. You have school tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Say night night to the faves.
Night.
Tyler.
Night.
Come on, let's go. You help Mama tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Careful with this on your eyes. Come on. Let's go pee and go to bed. Good job. Here. All the pups. All the pups. Opa! Say hello, babe.
Hey,
How are you feeling?
I heard that
You hurt your arm? Let Mama kiss it. Mwah!
Ty, come here.
What are you calling Ty?
Ty, come here.
He's saying Ty, come here. Okay, Ty, soon come, okay?
Okay.
Hi, you guys. So I have a request for you guys. Something not good, but I have to share this with you guys. No, Sarah, Mama talking to the faves, okay? So I have a friend of mine that I met while I moved here to Nice, but she's not living here in France anymore. She moved back to Canada. She's a Canadian, but she had moved here. If you guys remember, years ago I vlogged and she was in the vlog. I'm gonna try and find that vlog and post it with her and her daughter, a little clip, so you guys remember who it is. Her name is Lily. We kept in contact, and I found out that Lily have cancer. Lily have stage 3 breast cancer, and it's moving rapid throughout her body. So I'm asking you guys if you can donate to Lily's GoFundMe page. I'll post the GoFundMe down below. And my heart dropped when I got the news, when I saw the news on her Facebook page. Any little bit counts, any little bit can do, and I'll be sure that Lily will appreciate it, especially to help her with her treatment, because I'm sure those are some hefty expenses, and to also help with her daughter, which is around the same age as Tyler. So yeah, I'm just asking you guys for all the help, and if you can't help monetarily, I'm sure you will help through prayers and all the love and good vibes that you will send Lily away. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here with that, and ask you guys to give it a thumbs up and comment down below and send Lily all the good vibes. Catch up and keep up, and of course I'll see you guys tomorrow. Say bye.
Bye.
While she was here chatting away. Hopefully you guys get the message of what I was saying. You going to look for Tyler?
Yeah.
Go look for Tyler.
Tyler! Come here!
And Lily also gave Sarah so much things when I was pregnant with Sarah, because Lily had a little girl. Lily have a little girl, so all of Lily baby clothes, I got them. A lot of Lily baby toys from her daughter Sarah got them. So Lily had done a great deal for me when I was pregnant with Sarah. So anything I can do to help in whatever way I can, it's greatly appreciated. Anyway, you guys, see you guys tomorrow. Go look for Tai Tai. Go on.
Tyler!